Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. Hope you're all doing well. Today I will share with you a very important application which I wish had found it a long time ago. This application is especially for you guys who are using Windows 10 and are having privacy issues problem with it in one place instead of going to Windows 10 settings and then going to registry to change it. So without further ado, let me share with you what is this application and how it works. This is the application. It is called ONO Shutup 10. I believe you all understand that it is Shutup Windows 10, and you don't have to install it. Just click on it and it will run. This application is very simple to use, and you have all those settings that you may want to protect in one place instead of going to the Windows 10 settings and select one and then going back to that section and select another one. You have all those options right here in front of you. What you have to do now is just going through them and select the ones that you want to protect, which is very convenient, especially for the other people who may not know how to go to the settings in Windows 10 and select the option that they will want to protect. So how does this application work? I recommend you, before anything else or before make any changes on your system, create a restore point, and I think the application also recommends that. So if this is your first time when you open the application, just go to action here and select create a system restoration point, which is very important because if something bad happens, you can go back to the last point of restoration and your system will come back working normally. I'm going to quickly show you how this application works. Here you have two options. Here you have two columns, settings and recommended. In settings, you have all these settings or options you may want to protect. In recommended columns, you have all these icons that help you select the options you want to protect without affecting the behavior of your system. Yes means it is recommended to protect. Yellow means this settings is somewhat recommended to protect, but in some occasions it may affect your system behavior. The red one means these settings are not recommended to protect. Here in the settings you have the red one, which indicates that the Windows 10 settings are in place. If you find this green one, indicates that your privacy is protected. If you want to protect a specific settings, you just have to go here and click and it will switch from green to red. You can do this for every options here. For instance, let's go down and in the security you have telemetry disabled. If I click here, I'll switch it to green, which means it's now protected. I'll do this for these three telemetry disabled. You have a lot of options here that you may want to protect. Just give yourself a time and go through them and select the ones you want. If you want to know more about how this application works, just go to help option and click on short guide. Here you will find all the information you need to understand how this application works. Well guys, this is all for this video. I hope you like it. I will leave the link of this software in the description so you can go and download and start using. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you don't, you know what to do. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.